Just shoot the toy. Shoot the toy in the socks.